Hmm, maybe I should try the clockwork body. That was pretty nice.
Sakala, you finally tried to be wind up. Did you already wind down?
No, I think I don't need to wind up. I haven't wind up since I transformed.
You anyways will wind down, especially in this short skirt. You should be up in about 5 minutes.
I don't feel that I'm unwinding. Maybe I don't need winding up.
Of course you think that you are a normal girl, but no. I started to wind down.
Got it? I'll wind you back up. Funny thing. Why don't you move?
I activated longer than usually. Maybe it's time to wall my mainspring or something else. Let's go to school.
Julia, I think something is wrong. I feel that I'm getting slower and slower. Especially my legs are becoming stiff and it's hard to walk.
Well, as you guess, it is your spring wound down. When you wind down, you can't move. All you need is to get a little power. I'll turn you back on. Maybe not enough.
Oh, I can...
What's wrong with your mechanisms?
Maybe I can help? Looks like her spring broke down and she can't wind up. I'll try to quickly fix her.
If you know what to do, of course. I just tell her that short clothes make you wind up. She tried and that was her first unwinding.
Transformations by using skirts can be dangerous because the clockwork clothes detector in legs can detect skirts sometimes. Okay, don't worry. I can fix her. Just wait a minute. Put her on a bed-like surface. Okay, let's start. Julia, go to the shop and bring me to small gears and oil. And go back, but first wind me up. Now go.
Be right back.
I forgot to wind her up.
No!
Huh, another doll girl.
Thanks for winding me up. I need to go. Hi,
Can I please get some wall and little gears?
and I need something to be more power efficient.
Of course, I'll put it in your pocket. Wardrobe is there. You can put on longer clothes. Nice outfit. Have a good day.
Hi, girls. I bring all that you ask. Oh, looks like you need some winding.
Hi! She's almost done. I fixed her leg mechanisms that spent all wind-up energy to legs. Now just wind her up.
Hi girls, I think I was unwound longer than usual, but now I'm wound up and full of energy.
I fixed your mainspring and your wind-up clothes detector. You should wear only shorts, but it's not forever. Now let's put on school uniforms and go back to school.
Hey girls, I think Japanese uniforms is only with skirts. Maybe you have some ideas.
You can try on high-waisted shorts from Russian uniform. I have one. Looks great, but I think it's so short that you need winding up very often.
That was very nice winding up. By the way, look at my skin. It's now shiny and glossy.
I think these shorts made your body of plastic.
Hey girls, I decided to become wind up. Oh, you all wound down. Hang on, I'll